We are going to down Mata Kuil temple of Chandi Devi in Haridwar. It's a very good thing to do. Take us up there, you know, you can see the opposite side.
Up and down,
You can see the opposite winds there, okay.
down